Hey guys, today we are going to review the Leopold FC750R. This is actually my first time using a mechanical keyboard. I thought of investing one of this because I use them every day to code and play video games. I was really excited when it came to my door front. I've been watching those ASMR videos of mechanical keyboard switches. And this is it. This is the packaging for the FC750R PD. This comes with Cherry MX Brown. I did a lot of research of which switch to buy, and I decided to do the Cherry MX Brown. And this is my first view of the Leopold. Some instructions manual, because there are no software for this keyboard. It's actually heavier than I thought. And they include some cables, keycaps adjustment, keycaps puller, and if anyone still uses it, PS2 converter. First time trying it. It feels amazing actually. It would be a very worth it investment if you use it very often, especially if you game and maybe do some programming code. And now let's go to our favorite part. I would say the key loudness is perfect. It can get low, but it can also get pretty loud if you tap it like with more force.